In this presentation, I will talk about the cloud computing. The inception of cloud computing was found in 1950s. That was the time when new experiments were gradually coming into existence and a total new era of digitalization was anticipated. The basic idea behind the project was distributed computing. Many theories and implementations came forward with time. In 1970s. The machines with virtual existence were founded. They were simply called VM or virtual machine. The virtual operating system was a big and expensive thing at that time. Cloud computing means a model for enabling network access to a shared pool of configurable computing resources. The intention behind the commencement of the service was to develop virtual services where a network model was to be established that could be accessed by multiple configurable computing resources like servers, storage, and applications. Cloud computing and storage solutions provide users and enterprises with many capabilities to store and process their data in third-party data centers. Preview. In the next few slides, I will talk about the history of the cloud computing, characteristics, service models, and deployment models of the cloud computing. The history of the cloud computing, it was a gradual evolution that started in the 1950s with mainframe computing. After some time, around 1970, the concept of virtual machines, which are VMs, was created. In 1990s, the concept of VPN was introduced by telecommunication companies. It was pretty beneficial and affordable service. The earlier provided single dedicated point-to-point data connection services were meant to be available for only the affluent category of customers due to its high costs. After the 90s, the development rate in the digitalization became incredibly high. Modern gadgets and technologies found space in millions of homes, and the time-sharing process involved is in an impressive manner. The cutting-edge characteristics of cloud computing that cater many business nowadays include on-demand self-service, which cloud hosting services from a cloud host provider can be easily secured by a business. Broad network access. This is one of the most fetching features of cloud computing. Broad network access lets the company's employees stay connected with any project regardless of their location using a decent internet connection. Resource pooling. This characteristics lets multiple users to access the business management system of software hosted in the cloud. The data can be accessed anytime from anywhere. Rapid elasticity, which allows customers to add, delete, or alter the user's software, faces, and other stuffs from the cloud in accordance with the business requirements. Basically, a decent amount of customization can be done. Measured service. A customer as well as cloud host provider can constantly check and measure the user account's storage levels, bandwidth, and processing, and the charges are according to that only. Service models consist of SaaS. In case of SaaS model, databases and application software are accessible by the user. This service has either subscription or the charges are paid by the users according to the service usage. PaaS. In this model, toolkit and standards are developed by the service provider. A computing platform is provided by the service providers that basically includes database, OS, programming language, execution environment, and web server. IaaS, this is the lowest level and the most elementary cloud model. IaaS model is all about the infrastructure, including location, data partitioning, security, backup, and other stuffs. There are many benefits of service models. For example, traditional premises infrastructure as a server, platform as a server, and software as a server. Deployment models consists of the public cloud. This type of cloud is used for a network which is publicly accessible, which services do not charge the users at many places. The hybrid cloud can be an amalgamation of two cloud categories. It may be a combo of private and public cloud or public and community cloud, or a combination of more than one cloud forms. The community cloud, this category of cloud can be hosted internally or externally and share infrastructure among multiple entities from a particular community. Private cloud, this type of cloud is highly secure and usually utilized by single organizations for private use. Reviewing this presentation, I talk about the history of the cloud computing characteristics, service models, and the deployment models of the cloud computing, which are all very important. The importance, cloud computing is very important for our daily life, and it has been used widely in internet field. Today, the computing plays a more and more important role in the network application. In the future, cloud computing would reach a maturity with the development of network technology. The cloud computing will be more popular because cloud computing is convenient to user to upload or download to cloud computing. This is my presentation. Thank you.